Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send a meeting invitation in Outlook. So first you have to simply open and log into your Outlook, select a specific date, double tap and you should see the option invite attendees above. Tap that one. Now here what you're going to do next is to simply add their email address, and also you can add a subject right here. You can also add or attach a file image and add the message below. Now, once you're done adding that email address of the person that you want to invite to this meeting, then basically you can now go down and then add the message. But actually, this one is optional. So once you're done adding email, tap on the send button on the left side. Click this one. Tap on send anyway. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then you will see the meeting or the event is now visible on your Outlook calendar. But basically, that's how easy it is to send a meeting invitation. All you have to do is to click that meeting or that event and then invite someone, add their email address, and tap on the send button. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.